talagang hirap yung character niya. Hirap. So nakikita mo ba yung sarili mo nagpo-portray na gano'n? May prosthetics, ano?
Ano kasi ako, parang right now, di ko na-imagine mag-prosthetics. Kasi I've never really tried prosthetics. Medyo na-irritate kasi yung skin ko. But if it's worth it, if it's for a good show, if maganda yung material, ano naman, no hesitations at all. As long as it's something good, it's worth it. Diba? Bakit hindi?
Punta naman tayo kay Ate. Ang ganda ng reception mo sa tandem ninyo dalawa. May chemistry ha. How's it reception? How's it working with Ate?
Sarap katrabaho kasi very professional. Just like me, he really loves what he does. Ano kami, like, siguro in a way, it works on camera kasi parehas kami na parang, okay, this is our work, this is what we want. Kasi we talked about it. Sabi namin, kung gusto talaga natin gumanta yung show, sige, let's make it work. So, ayun, we talk to each other, we make sure na we're comfortable. Kasi it's hard kasi we have kissing scenes, and we have yung mga, alam mo parang mga restrict, hawakan yung face, mga gano'n. Eh, syempre, kung hindi mo naman kakalala yung tao, nakikita sa mukha. So, we really try our best to get to know each other para maganda yung chemistry namin. Maganda yung flow. I mean, hindi lang naman chemistry pagdating sa kilig-kilig. I mean, there's also chemistry pagdating sa mga just being there on screen.
Batuhan ng linya.
Oo, batuhan. Kailangan talaga may flow kayo sa isa't isa. So, ayun, I'm happy na yung response namin ng tao, like even sila Lily Beth, okay na parang, dun nga sa contract signing, they watch Mundo Mo'y Akin, so sabi nila, ay, ang galing-galing niyo. At saka, hindi lang kami ni Alden, like, natutuwa siya sa aming tatlo pag magkakasama kami ni na Luis tsaka ni na Alden on screen. And that's good, kasi ayoko naman na parang mag-focus lang naman, you and Alden look good together. But also the fact na even kami naman ni Luis, sobrang, syempre, mga tao, you and Alden, kasi syempre lalaki, bahay, kilig. But also naman, give props to Luis, kasi siya rin, magaling din siya. Tsaka, ano rin, manaramdaman ko rin, I have chemistry. may chemistry kaming tatlo, actually. It works really well. And maganda yun, kasi kami lagi rin yung magkakasama. Yeah.
Yung Louis Alden tandem, medyo matagal na. Marami na ring followings. Hindi ka ba na parang baka may mga fans na ayaw sa tandem ninyo ni Alden? Are you ready dun sa mga maaaring mag-away na fans? It happens naman talaga.
Well, yung maganda sa fans ni Luis and ni Alden, they're very supportive of them too. And they know na parang, they know not to waste their time and their energy na bash or maging to say bad stuff about another artist. Na imbes na ganun yung gagawin nila, let's give all our focus and attention to the people who deserve our support. So, and I give them respect for that. Kasi just like their idols, very respectable, di ba? Ganun naman yun, nagre-reflect sa, alam kasi nila na what their actions reflect on their idols. Kaya magandang image, di ba? So, siguro, mayroong hindi matutuwa. Alam ko naman yun. Kasi I've had love teams before. So, pag ng mga babae or lalaki, ayaw din nila. But, ano naman siya, it's a given. Because, kumbaga sila yung mas veteran sa akin pagdating dyan eh. Kasi sila, established na sila. But me, as long as may inis sila, the fact na bakit nagbayad siya, bakit siya nandyan, bakit naagaw ni Darlene si Jerome kay Marilyn, okay lang yun sa akin. But these are effective. Yeah, it means I'm doing well. So, but they're very good people with their fans. And ano naman sila nakatawa, like they tweet na parang kami nga tatlo. Actually, throughout the whole showing, it's been a month already, people have been very supportive. They like it, which makes me happy. I mean, mga simple comments na I'm watching, you're doing so well, ang ganda yun yung panoorin. Yun yung maganda kasi I haven't been getting bad feedback naman from fans na ayaw ko sa'yo, ganyan.
And the ratings are not bad.
Yes.
So, last na lang, sino sa mga kapuso actors na natin, aside from Alden, of course, ang gusto mong makapartner sa mga susunod mong shows?
Well, ako naman kasi yung taong I don't want to close my doors, but at the same time, I don't want to be tied down in a love thing because to grow, you have to work with other people. So, pero kung if there's gonna be one person, okay lang din. Kung magiging maganda naman yung rehistro namin, if it gives us more opportunities na kaming dalawa, it's okay. But if hindi rin, if hindi ba, anyone, yak choose. Pero ano naman yun eh, it's not up to me, it's up to management because they make all the decisions. We just audition, show up, do our job, but it's up to them naman. Hello sa lahat ng nanonood ng Mundo May Akin. Maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta sa amin. And sana ituloy-tuloy niyo lang yan dahil paganda ng paganda ang story na to. So, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You make me so happy.